watching a compilation of 55 shocking moments of the luckiest people caught on camera and the most horrifying incidents caused by stupid drivers. Hello everyone. In today's video, we will witness 55 shocking moments of the luckiest people caught on camera, the idiots in cars. These are unexpected situations, from incredibly lucky rescues to foolish actions you would never imagine. These moments will make your heart race and keep you on the edge of your seat. Let's watch and experience this madness together. In the blink of an eye, the container truck suddenly swerved without noticing the cars behind. Two cars raced towards it like arrows, unable to avoid it, and a horrifying accident occurred. I can't believe my eyes. A miracle happened when he was just inches away from the hand of death. The rain was pouring heavily, the ground was sliding, and a massive rock was tumbling down. It was just a few centimeters away from the white SUV, and if it didn't stop, it would have been a disaster. A man had just drunk a beer and then lost control of his motorcycle. It was a horrifying scene as he veered off and couldn't react in time to the danger. The driver of the container truck just intended to take a quick nap, but little did he know that decision led to a horrifying disaster right after.
Да ну нахуй, ты, блядь, баран, нахуй!
Just because he was speeding and didn't slow down when turning, the driver of the black car had to pay a heavy price for his recklessness. Unbelievable. The driver of this black car was reckless enough to run a red light at full speed to meet his grandparents. see that? A woman driving straight down from the roof of a house. Can you even imagine this situation happening? Look at that. This driver lost control, and instead of staying on his lane, he swerved onto the opposite side of the road. Here it is, an incredibly costly parking fail from the neighbor. It seems parking skills aren't her strong suit.
Ага, кидала как Ой!
Too cumbersome. The crane truck driver just pulled off a move that left everyone wondering why. Playing games while driving makes an accident almost inevitable. A small action, but it was like a thank you for saving his life in the nick of time. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you love dramatic and unexpected moments, don't forget to check out more exciting videos on our channel. Click on the playlist or the next suggested video to continue this thrilling journey. See you in the next videos. Hello and see you again.